Hello friends, we are now presenting the high resolution USB based microscope which is very handy to use and is portable in nature. So let's start how to use it. First we need to assemble this microscope on this then put it on this handy stand, light and portable stand, and then we need to install its software by inserting the CD here and see this screen. Then it is displayed, and then we can for Windows we need to just double click this window icon. Then we need to install this exe file, and after successful installation this small icon is placed on the desktop. Then we need to just double click this icon to start using it. See, then before starting using it, we need to just connect the USB cable to the USB port, and then we can see the live image on your PC screen. See, this is the live image. When we rotate the PCB, when we move the PCB, we can see the live image. The magnification can be adjusted with the help of this knob by rotating it clockwise and anti-clockwise. We can see, when the magnification is adjusted accordingly, we can see very clear image of the object under testing. Now we can just move the stand upward or downward according to our to adjust the magnification, and we will fix it when we find the clear image. Now there are other functions also available in this microscope, like when we select a particular picture, we can use the calibration function which is there. We can calibrate this USB microscope with the help of this calibration scale. Then we can use other function as well, like continuous line, like you can measure the width of this IC across its length and breadth. There are other features also available, like radius circle and 3 points angle. So there are so many features available in this USB microscope. It's very handy to use. Then we will show you how to capture the live image or the live video. See, first we need to adjust the resolution to get a clear image. Then we need to click this icon on the top left corner of the view to click a photograph. See, we will see just now we have captured this image. Similarly, we can make a video also of the object under observation. See, the video is, then we can make the video also, and then we need to just click this button again to stop the video. We can find the video we have just shooted in this place. Now we can show you. Just now we have shoot this video, and it is available in the video section of this software. That's all from the guys. Thanks for watching.